Hi everybody, and a warm welcome back to Maple Leaf Customs in Switzerland. I'm Andrew with a surprise mail call unboxing today, all the way from Florida, and Chuck Ellis. Chuck is the creator of the Diecast Media Network, with Diecast Breakdown as the video interview show, on which I've been a guest, and Flying Valiant is the custom build part of his Diecast empire. And Chuck's a good online friend. Our channels got started about the same time. Put a nice card in the box, and it looks like I'm the new European distributor for Diecast Media Network propaganda. Thanks, Chuck. Little backstory to this. In my recent Porsche 3 Invitational to celebrate my channel's YouTube anniversary, I had invited Chuck and a couple of other online friends to be sponsors and put their customs up as prizes, which he happily agreed to. You want to see what he sent? Me too. Let's boogie. Good wrapping and packaging, Chuck, and look what it's one of his barn find Porsches. This is exactly like the draw prize that was won by Jody Sims. I do recall Chuck made 3 of them, nearly identical, and I told Jody I was jealous of his being the recipient of such a cool custom. Now I got one, and I am happy to finally hold a Flying Valiant custom in my hands. Chuck is an expert at weathering and distressing these cars. I got a tarp thrown over there, a truly authentic looking patina. There's a red rag coming out of the gas cap. I'm totally stealing that. Thank you so much, Chuck, for this very special surprise gift. Follow the links I put in the description for all of Chuck's work, and stay fresh, cheese bags. Thanks for visiting again today. Wishing you all a fine weekend. It's coffee time.